Where do you work?
I'm a JPS.
You're a what's the JPS?
J JPS. That's like electrician, but it's not electrician. It's a more than bigger than electrician.
So what does JPS stand for?
JPS stand for like when your light gone, like the old system gone, we fix it back. System gone, we fix it back.
So
If
is
you
that
don't,
like a part-time job or that's a full-time job?
now that is complicated. Like that bigger than electrician. It is like I'm gonna tell you. Alright, if you don't got current, you cannot charge your phone. You cannot watch TV. You cannot. Your fridge cannot on.
Okay. But what does JPS stand for though?
JPS stand for it is a big company because if you don't got you don't have no one have any current.
Oh, so it's not an abbreviation, it's just like JPS. It's not
Yeah,
an abbreviation.
it's JPS. I don't know what is it in your country, but it's JPS is in Jamaica.
You have a daughter?
Yeah, but me and the mother not there in anymore.
Your mother is not what?
I got a daughter, but she mother. I'm not there with her anymore.
I don't understand. You have
Alright,
a daughter, but
my daughter mother, we not dating anymore.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. JPS! Uno employ the man here for true. Look on him good and see if him dep on uno employment list. Because me want know how the man here for work at JPS. And don't know what JPS stand for. Jamaica Public Service. Big up on yourself. Yeah, so nice. Me nah lie. This a call back at the class. Yeah, right, true. Yo, Jamaica is not a real place. I love my country. Big up Jamaica. Yeah, I love my country. People, big up on yourself out there. Bless up on yourself. Big up to all of my top supporters them with the bad side on a name. Big up to all of the people them who subscribe. Thank you so much for the subscription. And I don't know, I'm happy. Say yes, people out there love me. Yeah, right, true. Big up uno, big up uno. Bless up to everybody. And even if you not just watch one video for me, thank you so much. You don't know gratitude is always a must. When you wake up in the morning, you have to give thanks and praise and gratitude. Gratitude, because whole heap of people never wake up this morning. Yeah, when we wake up and we're alright. We might not have no money, but we're alright. We might not have no food, but we're alright. We say once there's life, there's hope. Once there is life, there is hope. I'm just remind everybody out there, still listen me. What we are say, we are give thanks to all of the small wins, the small victory, no matter what you know I go through out there. Just give thanks to the small wins. And just give praise for the little progress them that you make in your life. Because guess what? It could have 10 times worse. It could have 20 times worse. So you don't know thanks and praise and gratitude is always a must. I'm want to say the YouTube channel is there, people, and it's called Naked with Nadia. The Facebook is called Naked with Nadia Unfiltered. The Instagram and the TikTok is called Nadia _official _FR. You do the right thing, please and thank you. Like up all of the platform them and make this thing stronger now. Because you don't know if you have a place. Yeah, man, you're free to comment anything you want to comment. No comment has ever been deleted. You don't know, just keep it respectfully. Respect to the maximum and respect due to everybody. Give thanks and praises right through. Peace. I'm out. Bye.